Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel, and today we are going to do some economy stuff. When nowadays nobody trusts on banks, you have to get your money somewhere else, and my favorite two are buying your own safe and putting your money in it, or invest in fine art. But I am no economist by long shot, so don't take my word on it. But let's ask the press which one is better. So first one is the safe, and my wife really thinks that the press cannot break the safe, but I am very confident that the press will crush the safe. Let's see. So I win and the wife lose. The safe is not only not able to protect your money, but they can also get stuck inside your safe. And now you cannot use your money. So you are in big trouble. Yeah, let's try with the art piece. We have to place the again. That was quite scary. I thought it's going to explode. We have this stone pancake with aluminium toppings. It is surprisingly hard combination. You cannot break it easily. I think I wouldn't break it because it is quite nice looking. I think that is still extremely valuable art. So you are better when investing to art your money than just putting it back to your safe. Yeah, I think that is all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this quite nasty looking centipede. One of these tried to attack us yesterday, so we must deal with it. I think we are getting better and better with these ashtrays. I think this is mixture of ashtray and pancake.